How to fix your account was compromised on Instagram. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. First thing first, open up any of your preferred web application. And at the top search bar, type in password reset or Instagram password reset. As it is so, you will see reset password by Instagram itself. Open the first search result. Once done, you will get landed onto a page like this. First of all, you have to type in the account that you would like to change the password of or the account which was compromised. Type in your username, email address, or mobile number, then tap on continue. Now, as you type in the email, a code has been sent to your email address. You have to open your email account and then paste the code here, then tap on continue. As you tap on continue, you will get landed onto a page where you can easily change your password. And just like so guys, this is how you can fix your account was compromised on Instagram error. That is all for today. Thank you all for watching and we will catch you up in our next upload.